All right, it's Thursday, 6:45 a.m., October 26th, and just getting my day started here, just taking a look at what's been going on, and trying to see maybe trying to figure out if I was looking for a measured move, something like that maybe. Or it could just be a range day. I'm not sure yet. But we could just be at the highs of the day. And I'm going to do my best today to take every trade that fits the rules, not think too much, and try not to act too quickly to take a +1. Give it a chance to work. But if it does hit 7 ticks, I will follow my rules and move it. So we'll have to see how the day goes. Here at the highs of the overnight and right after open. I guess this might be more like this. If it really does do it. I think that's the long shot goal, but this could just be the top of the range like I was saying. So let's see what happens. For anyone watching for the first time, this is a live recording of my trading session, and I'll do a wrap-up review in a separate video at the end of the day. And I'm just documenting my new strategy with these setups and seeing how I do on my PA accounts and evaluation accounts on Apex. Here's my code if anyone needs it. And I'm going to pause my recording here and wait until setup comes. Looking for possible
order
OJ.
submitted.
No.
Order canceled.
Doesn't qualify. So it does look like kind of range action, the way it got rejected from the overnight high. Still has a gap to fill to the previous day close. Wasn't able to do it. And it's also bouncing off the previous day low. So previous day low acting as resistance. So we'll see if we just stay within this range today or what, but just something to keep in mind as I continue here. All right. Let's see what we get here. No, going too far out. Let's pause again.
Order submitted.
Aloe here. If we get a bearish bar down here. Doesn't qualify. Just waiting to see, maybe there'll be another one. Looks like it would have worked anyways, but it just didn't have a touch before the LO. So they're both LO. There's no LO. All right. Let's see what else we get. Nope, actually. Maybe get a touch here and an LO here. We're right at the measured move now, though. There won't be a setup here. Okay, I'll come back. Watching this for a possible OJ.
Order submitted.
there. Just need to close kind of down here. And see if the rules apply. Still looking for a close down here. Doesn't qualify. See if this bar will do it. Nope. Although it went the direction I was looking for. But no setup. All right, so there's not going to be an
Order
OJ
canceled.
here. I'll stop and wait. Just watching this here for
Order
possible
submitted.
LO, although I doubt this will work. It's very rangy. Yeah. All right, gonna be nothing here.
Order canceled.
Got to that measured move from the top. Gonna be thinking about if we get a close up here, we could have a PB potentially come up
Order submitted.
if everything gets in place. Not high enough there. It needs to be a little bit higher to close. Let's close up here. I just got to make sure that everything's in place. Still not high enough. It needs to close above here. This might do it. Hopefully I have time to make sure everything falls into place. No. No, all my rows aren't satisfied, unfortunately. It would be a white PB. Subjective. Would have worked.
Order canceled.
That's the first even subjective setup I've seen today. Almost an hour in. All right, we'll wait for the next one. All right, well, definitely a range day playing out so far. It's going from the lows to the highs to the lows, and approaching the opening price again, and just no setups. Saw one that was a white setup for a PB, but can't take that, and just very dry price action for me today. Maybe other strategies are getting more opportunities, but I'm just going to stick to the strategy and wait and see for a setup. So just being patient. It's frustrating when you're having a red week already and you want to get some trades, get some back, but it is what it is. Let's see what happens. All right, it's 8 o'clock and we had a large move up towards the top. Didn't quite get to the highs, and now it looks like we're selling off a little bit. I thought maybe that was a measured move. Maybe it's more like this. Got there as well now. So just staying patient and waiting for a setup. Really just not a single valid objective setup today. And, I already know my strategy and my system is not really good for ranging days, tight ranges. There's 30 points in between the highs and lows approximately, but I'm not surprised to not see setups on kind of these kinds of days where we're just kind of chopping back and forth. Lots of sideways for a big chunk of time. But hopefully we'll get something on the way back down if that's what it does, or if it decides to break out, maybe we'll find something on a breakout, but just going to stick to the system. I know that it largely works for me overall. I get more winners than losers when I just stick with this, so we're just going to stick it out and continue to let this play out. So I'll be back when there's something to do or say or record. All right. Try not to fall asleep here with nothing even close to setup. But I'll be back. Possible LO
Order
here.
submitted.
Need a bearish bar. Don't love that wick at the bottom. It's bearish, but it's not as bearish as it could be. Oop.
Order
I
canceled.
think it went too far. That was fast. 80.75. Uh, 80. Yeah, it went 7.6 already, so I had to pull my order. I thought it might have even gone 8 already. All right, so see what happens on that. Looks like it's only gone 7 ticks so far. There it goes. All right, well, at least there was a setup today. And I'll keep waiting.
Order
Something
submitted.
here for an LO. Doesn't look like it's even going to trigger on this bar. Let's see. I'm also second guessing it, but it doesn't look like it's going to trigger, so it won't matter.
Order canceled.
Had a touch here and a touch here, but no trigger. All right, 8:30. Not quite being able to get down to this measured move. Just more of the same, move up, can't get in, move down. There was one setup, couldn't get in, and now just going flat across again, rangy. Not offering a lot of opportunities for my system, but I'm just going to hang and keep waiting. It's almost 8:40. Okay, I'm going to see if there's a trade right now.
Order submitted.
I think we have a trade. Hold on, Luna.
Ladders. I want ladders.
Okay, hold on. We're going to do a trade. We're going to do a trade.
No,
Don't do it? Oh, Luna. Look, we're entering a trade. Oh.
No.
Order canceled.
All right, so I just got visited by my daughter while a perfect LO setup, or not LO, OJ setup happened. And I tried to get in the trade, and as you can hear, I missed it because somebody was getting very upset and grabbed the mouse, and so it's the best setup all day. And I missed it. What can we do? Perfect setup. Like literally been waiting for that all morning, and then just bad timing. All right. Not easy being a parent and trading and having your kid walk in at the same time. Moving on. Let's see if I can get another one today. My God, I'm still so annoyed I missed that trade. I love my daughter, but that's really annoying. All right. She's off to school. Let's see what we can do.